For this problem, please calculate the cost for the air handling unit number 1 to number 5 in the building. Now let's take a look on this problem. You see that we have in the drawing over here in page M002, you can see that we have all of the air handling unit number 1 to number 5 over here, and we also have the size of that. So if you open RS Mean, you see that for air handling unit, they price that one by each, but they have the volume of that one. This one is 1600 CFM. Okay. So for example, if you maybe let create a new estimate here. All right. So for example, this. The one we have over here is not exactly the same thing. We have this one in 1975. So we can do some adjustment over here. So you can click here and you can say AHU 1975. Okay. CFM. You can see that for the material cost, this one have the high variation among all the volume. However, for the volume, for the labor cost, they don't have much different. Why? You see that when you install an equipment of 1600 CFM and an equipment with 5000 CFM, they don't have much difference between the two, because the labor cost is just about the same, right? Need around like 2 or 3 people to install that. However, unless that this one is very big, then you might need to have a little bit more time and a little bit more some more people, but generally they don't have much difference. So you have over here 1976, 1975, and the one over here is 1600. Don't have much different. So what I will do is that I will only adjust for the material cost only, and I will keep the labor cost the same. So for the material cost, the easiest way to estimate for that, you can use the easiest way to do that is that you can use the ratio one. For example, you're gonna do cross multiply then divide. So I'm gonna do 6243.75 multiplied by 1600 divided by 1975. Okay, so I'm gonna have this one. Okay, so doing like that, you can adjust the cost of that to, oh my bad, it should be the opposite way. So we have 6243.75 multiplied by 1975 divided by 1600. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so that way I can adjust the cost of this one, the material cost. If you really want to improve the accuracy of this one, you can use the regression as well. However, for the small item like this, you don't actually need to use regression. But I just want to show you how to do that, just in case when you want to adjust for something really big. So then you can use Excel, for example, Excel over here. Then I will put of the size over here. I'm gonna put that in x-axis. 1600 500 11500 22000 4000. Okay, and then for the y-axis I can try the material one, 62 for 3.75, 1A 1A 1.80, 4345 354.60, 9090 116383.50. All right. And then you can calculate first of all you need to calculate the intercept. And calculate slope. Intercept will equal to intercept here, and then select y-axis, select x-axis, enter, and the slope, which is equal slope, y-axis, and then you have x-axis, enter. Okay, so now whenever you have a new size of the equipment, let's say if you want to do 1975, then you can let equal the intercept plus x multiplied by the slope over here. Okay, and then you're gonna have the more accurate way of estimation for the price over here. However, for a quick way to do cost estimation, you don't necessarily do this one. You can just do ratio. Right? This is another way to do the adjustment. All right, for the rest of the equipment, over here from 1 to 5, I'm gonna let you continue to complete that by yourself.